had been 17, grew a flame and soon became the biggest ever seen. He took 1,000 houses and north of miles and miles. By New Year's Day, you could see the glow of past the Channel Islands. Across the trash train, the weekend of the new year, that came a heavy rain. The whole damn hillside just let go, came it rolling down, cut a path, straight to the sea, straight through the heart of town. Well, too many vultures worried, was it them or was it us? Too many buses looking for their ticket at the bus. Too many ones outstretched, no one you can trust. Too many vultures circling us. Blackouts with the earth, got out before it fell. You could save his sister, he couldn't save himself. Let him follow him himself. Someone heard her crying. Jack lied beneath that tree. About 3-4 years passed by. Well, too many vultures worried, was it them or was it us? Too many buses looking for their ticket at the dust. Too many cars outstretched, no one you can trust. Too many vultures circling. Everybody needs a hero. Someone down needs a helping hand. No one left around except the East Country, looking to take anything they can. So now the eagle's been brought up, like it's all at rest. The oracle's discarded, and hearts was unaddressed. Conduit takes the credit,